and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, yes, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be doing my very first Luxe box unboxing for 2020, okay? This is the March Boxycharm Luxe box right here, and I am really anxious to see what I got inside of this box because I've been on a no buy for like the past month, and I am just dying to see what's inside here. So if you would like to see what I got inside of my Luxe box for March, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box, okay? And let me pull out this paperwork because it's the first thing I see on top. All right, and it says pretty edgy, okay? And that's the paperwork right there. All right, I'm gonna put this right here inside the box, okay? And let's pull out the very first thing I see, which I'm a little not too happy about this because I don't like these. Okay, this is by Sol de Janeiro. Okay, I have the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I also have the Coco Cabana cream. Okay, so far I don't like any of the Sol de Janeiro products. Okay, let me explain for all of you who that love these products, okay? I don't have a problem with the moisture factor or anything like that. I have a problem with the scents, okay? The Brazilian Bum Bum cream, everybody was going crazy when this first came out. They was like, oh my God, it's amazing. Brazilian Bum Gum, it's so tropical and everything makes you feel like you're on an island. But they never gave a distinct, like, oh my God, this smells amazing. This is what it smells like. This smells like a rich, spicy vanilla, okay? And I've tried it inside the store and it just did not work with my body chemistry, okay? That's one of the reasons why I don't like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Now, if it was just a regular soft French vanilla scent or anything like that, it would have worked just fine. But the spiciness that it has to it, unfortunately, it does not work on my skin type, okay? Now, the Coco Cabana cream, I actually purchased the smaller Coco Cabana cream, and I got one, if I'm not mistaken, in either the Ipsy or a Boxycharm box. Now, with this right here, if it did not have a scent to it, I would love it, okay? Because when I first put it on, it smelled fine, but after like an hour or two, it just didn't smell as good as I would hope or that I hoped when I first purchased it. So I will be giving these most definitely away to a coworker or somebody at my job if they want them. So these are saying bye-bye. Or let me give y'all the option first, okay? If you guys want these and you've never tried them and you want to try them, please hit me down below in the comments. I will reach out to you to get your address and your information so that I can send you these creams right here. But if no one reaches out to me in the first week of me having these, then I'll just give them to a coworker. Simple dimple. Next up inside the box, okay? Next up we have the Spongili. Is that Spongili? Spongili Freesia Pear Body Wash Infused Buffer, okay? Beyond Cleansing, okay? I think I got one of these before. And I think I got it inside Boxycharm, but I think it was at least a year ago. And I could tell you now, I did really and truly love it, okay? It's a sponge and it lasts for more than one use, and it has like, yep, I did. Oh, I don't know if this is the same scent or not. I don't care. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Yep, I got one of these before. I love the scent of it before, and I remember it lasted so many times with me using it. Oh, this was good. This is good right here, okay? The Spongili, let me see if I can find it, Body Wash Infused Buffer, and this only retails for $16. Guaranteed number of washes 14 plus times, okay? So that's not bad. That's not bad. I do know that it did last a good while when I used it before, so this is good right here. All right, so next up, we have the QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Lime corrector. It's a lip serum, okay? So this is, oh, okay. So I thought it was to pull it up and it twists. It's a little twister, okay? Alrighty then, the QMS Metacosmetics. Alright, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. I don't have those. This high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Okay, and this retails for $200. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So I might try you. You know, my lips are pretty full and plump, but you know they do. You know how you have lines on your lips, not around your lips, but on your lips. I wonder if it helps those any. I wonder. I don't know. We'll see. $200. Okay. We'll see. Out. Up. Next up, we have NARS. This is their Power Matte Lip Pigment, okay? And it is in the shade Done It Again, okay? Now, I know this probably retails for at least a good $30. This retails for $25, okay? Alrighty then, and there it is right there. Crazy enough, I probably only have maybe like 1 or 2 NARS products, and and this is in a pretty brown. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is in a very pretty brown shade right there. Okay, and it retails for $25. I don't have a lot of NARS products. Crazy enough, I think I have 1 foundation, a couple of lip products, and I think I have and I do have a blush. But that's it. But yeah, I want to see how this does, because I have not tried any of their like liquid lip products as of yet. So adding NARS to the collection. So next up we have a hair product, okay? This is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray, okay? For color treated hair, prevents color fade, UV, and pollution protection, okay? A lightweight leave-in conditioner that prevents color fade and brassiness, okay? Shields against environmental aggressors to help prevent oxidation and protects against thermal damage. Okay. I might try this. I might try this. No, I just might try this because I do dye my hair. I do have gray hair. I've had gray hair since I was 12 years old. Can't do nothing about it. It's here. It's going to stay. It is what it is, okay? But I am going to try this since it says it's a leave-in conditioner that helps protect your hair from fading. Because I feel like I have to color my hair every freaking 8 weeks or something. I don't know. I haven't timed it, but it just feels like it doesn't last. It really doesn't. So I guess I will try this. All right. I will most definitely try this out and see how it works. All right. There you go. Oh, and this retails for, let's see here. This retails for $30. Okay, so that's not a bad price point at all. Not bad at all. Okay. All right. Next up, we have a blush. Okay, it's a peach pink. By, let's see here, who's this by? Elizabeth Moult. I think I've gotten something inside of my Boxycharm box from her before. I could be wrong, but I just remember that name from somewhere, okay? And here is the color right there. Oh my God, you can't even see that. Can't can't even see it. Okay, so there it is. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a peach pink blush. Okay, and from the looks of it, it has a little bit of a, it's almost like a satin finish. Ooh, that's pretty. It almost looks like it could like, almost like double, maybe like as a highlighter, you know? Very pretty shade. It's almost like a duochrome because I see the pink, but I also see a little bit of gold peach inside of there, okay? You probably can't see that well, sorry, but it's a very pretty pink. Peach pink. I like that, okay? Okay, this is a peach pink by Elizabeth Mook. Okay. And let's see here. Show me your cheeks. Show me your cheeks. Okay, and this blush retails for $23. Okay. And next up we have the PMD. It's a PMD Smart Facial Cleansing. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, it's like a Clarisonic, but not a Clarisonic. Oh, look, and it's blue. And it's blue. Looky. Okay, so here's the thing why I'm smiling this big because of this, okay? I don't have a Clarisonic. I don't have what those things called, the Luna Foreo, I think this is the little Lunas. I don't have any of the Lunas either. I don't have even like what's it called, the Vanity Planet ones. I don't even have that, but I have this now. Oh, okay, this is so cute. It's a PMD. I have a PMD though. Okay. And I guess it works off of batteries. And yeah, okay, so it works off of batteries. It is waterproof, and it takes AA batteries. Okay, all right. Dish the cords, anti-aging facial massages, customizable for all skin types. Is that right? Customizable. Yeah, customizable for all skin types. Okay, the beauty of silicone, and it says the Sonic Glow technology. It has 7,000 vibrations per minute. Okay, clean deeply and removes the skin's imperfection by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this. Ooh. I can't do it now. I have makeup on, so. But it does have a little stand right there because it has a little ball in right here, but it does come with a little stand inside of it, and it does come with the batteries inside of it also, so that's good too. All right, I got a facial cleanser thingy. Listen, okay, because here's the thing. I heard about people using like the Luna or the Clarisonic, and how usually because like, you know, when you first use it, that it will break out your face, not because like, you know, it is doing something to your face, but because of all the imperfections and everything, not imperfections, the impurities are coming through your skin, and they would come out and they would like have like bumps or pimples or whatever on your face. So that's why I was like, I clean my face pretty good, like, you know, but I didn't want anything to come out on my face, so we'll see. We will see. Maybe it's just for certain people, but I digress. We'll see. Okay. All right. So the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device retails for $99. Okay. All righty then. Ooh. All right. Going good so far. Last but not least, from inside the box, we have this right here. Says Boxycharm on the front of it. Will it be? Ooh, come on. Come on. Okay, so maybe it's from the Boxycharm brand, since they have their own brand now. Okay. All right, it says Hello Charmers. And yep, and it is a palette from Boxycharm, okay? And here, ooh, excuse me. Here it is right here. Okay. Those are some pretty colors. Oh wow, those are some really pretty colors right there. Okay, I'm holding at an angle so you can see them just a little bit more clear. Because if I hold it like this, you're not going to see it at all. So hold it at an angle. Okay. Oh, these are some nice colors right here. Okay, so hold on, let me see what it say. Alrighty. Okay, the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette is an exclusive Hello Charmer palette that features a blend of 12 matte and shimmer shades made specifically for our charmers in mind. This highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, now it says, okay, now I will say this. It says mattes and shimmers. I see a glitter one here also. And yep, it is a glitter. It is a glitter one. You can't see that. But let me see if I can swatch it on the back of my hand. And you probably can't see that, but just a little bit. But that is a glitter one. Okay. All right. So here are a couple of the swatches right here. That one. This one right here is a very bad swatch, and I meant to do a bad swatch on it because it's a glitter, and I don't like glitters, okay? But you do have this one right here that is more of a dual chrome right there. You have a shimmer, another shimmer, and this very, very nice red brown shade right there. That's a matte, and that matte was really soft and really blendable, so that was really nice. I like that one, okay? So, all right, so that palette from Boxycharm retails for $39. Just did some quick calculations on all the things that came inside this box, and they all retail for $447. Okay, this is a good box this month. I'm really shocked by this box this month. Like usually, like I say, as I always say, usually the Luxe boxes are really good, but they did a good job on this one this month. My PMD beauty cleansing, I can't wait to try that one out. I might try it out tonight. And the spongily body scrub, body buffer thing. Yeah, I can't wait to get inside that one. The only thing that disappointed me this month was the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana and Bum Bum cream. That was the only thing that was like, ugh, I wish they hadn't sent that to me, because I just, when it comes to scents, I'm very picky, iffy about the scents that I put on my body. And they've only gotten it right once with something else they gave me. I think it was maybe last December, or maybe even before that. They gave me a all body spray, and that was good. That was probably the only in all the time that I've gotten anything from them that they actually gave me something that was right and that did really well on my body without them knowing what scents I like and how my body chemistry works. But other than that one thing, those two small things, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I will have to give this box a good solid 4.5 out of 5, okay? Because that one item is the only thing I'm like, with, okay? So that is it. That is all for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this type of videos, and if you do like these types of videos and me and my brain are crazy, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time seeing me, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, baby doll, baby boy, what you doing, boo? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the button. I thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.